Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in profit and loss. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, a person marks his goods X% above the cost price and allows a discount of 30%. Friends, if he gets a profit of 5%, what is the value of X? Friends, getting 5% profit implies 5% profit implies if cost price is 100, then the sold price is 105. Friends, this sold price 105 is after a discount of 30%. That means this 105 is 70% of the market price. 70% of the market price is equal to 105. 7 15s. So market price is equal to 15 times 150 friends. Friends, this market price 150 is clearly 50% above the cost price. So X is equal to 50% friends. X is equal to 50. Thank you. Have a nice day.